So, if you missed the walking and talking video, I'm starting a new job today, like the chores, but I'm vacuuming. Let's see if I can get on that. How much battery am I at? Okay, good. I'm at good. Where is he? He's been mowing the lawn. There he is. He's open. Dad!
Yeah.
When can I start vacuuming?
In a minute. I'll clean it out. Can you get it out for me? Where is it? In the bedroom? What? What? Oh, yeah, I know.
Why?
Can you get it?
Where?
The bedroom closet, I guess?
The bedroom closet? Where do you want me to...
Living room, and I'll come in there and empty it.
Where do you want me to put it?
We'll bring it to the kitchen.
Okay. This is the slide door? Dobby! Okay. Look at them over there. All snug. He thinks he's so cool sweeping. I'm like, oh, I'm handy mandy dandy dog. Shut up. Hey, Sigums. What's the haps? He actually was clawing at my legs yesterday. Okay, where's the light? Where is the freaking light? Is that it? Oh, it's probably wasn't it. The light switch is off. There we go. This light switch works as well. That fan is so obnoxious. Oh, long time no see, friend. Remember when I did the chores? The 4 episodes? Yeah, that was some great times. That was actually really long ago. I did it. Look at that thing on his face. It's so obnoxious. What are you doing?
Put the room away. I can't take it anymore. It's going to the bathroom. So you push this button here.
You have to empty it out.
Right here. And it pops off.
But I have to empty it out?
See all the stuff in there?
I have to empty it out?
No, good.
Good.
And then as soon as you push this red button, the
Yeah?
whole thing flips open and everything comes out.
Cool.
You want to see?
Oh my god. Oh, ew.
Look at all that.
Ah! Good thing there's a smell-o-vision. Ew. Smell-vision.
Imagine if we had carpet, it would all stay in there.
Ew. Smell-o-vision.
Smell-o-vision?
They're gonna make that in the near future.
Okay. Do you know what to do? You know how to take this part out, right?
Yeah.
You can get underneath stuff, or in the corners.
Yes, I want to do the playroom.
So when, first you're going to do this part.
Yeah, I know. I've done this before.
Okay, and then you're going to do the hose.
I know.
Okay, so you got it?
Yes.
What do you need me to do?
Supervise me.
Okay. What time is it?
7:24. So I get $30 a day? What?
7:25, really. 7:40 is your time limit.
So I get $3 every day if I. Yeah. Uh-oh.
Okay. Yeah, you know what I'm talking about.
I do.
Let's go. 7:25.
Okay then.
Here we go. You want me to hold the camera?
Really? It doesn't matter. How do you...
We gotta unhook the cord first.
There, I unhook the cord.
And you go plug it in somewhere.
Is there any... That's it. Why don't you hold the camera like that in public? So stupid. You're like so like... think you're so like cool out in the house, you know, you can see you. Yeah, you're really. Push this red button?
Yeah.
That's so loud. Like you on it.
Gotta pick that up. Move it. No.
Stop.
Whoa. That was a good one.
You have to do like under this stuff.
With the hose.
So under it. Like I have to move it. You said I have to move it.
I did.
Follow me.
Something easy.
Follow me.
Something easy you can move. The big baskets, no.
What about the contemporary?
That's a pain.
The cords everywhere. Cord is bothering me. What are you doing? Doing that? Right here. Track me with the freaking camera. Oh, good God. What? Stop space. Oh my God, you numb freaking nut.
Middle.
What?
Middle.
So I'm done with this area over here.
Under the bed.
I need the tube for that.
Oh.
Why don't you get in here with your freaking...
Don't hit the fan.
Why don't you get in here with the freaking camera, huh? Why don't you come join the freaking party?
Well, I'm not going to do this every day. I'm just supervising you the first day because you wanted me to. You don't have to go way under there. Just in the edge. I don't know what's under there. Don't start sucking things up. You're going to ruin the vacuum, dude. Dude.
What?
You can't just start sucking everything up that's under there.
Oh,
You're ruining the vacuum. Now we're not gonna have a vacuum.
I can't see.
You're not gonna be able to make money if you don't have the tool.
Is it fine? Is it all good in the hood? It's like a dead animal on here. Oh my God. Did that give you the heebie-jeebies?
No, but you mess a vacuum up and you're going to be using your $3 to pay for it. How's that sound? It's good. You're doing a good job.
So I got everything under the bed?
You're doing a good job, yep.
So I'm done with under the bed. What do I get now?
Well, you got to use the hose and start getting in, like you can
Wait,
reach down in the contemporary.
I just noticed something. Your mole, that's where it is.
Uh-huh. That's what I cut
Oh.
with the razor. Yeah.
Is there blood?
Yeah, but it was just a little bit.
Did you pass out?
No. It was just a little bubble. A
Oh,
blood, little blood bubble.
I thought you like cut the whole thing off.
It bleeds a lot though.
What?
It does bleed a lot.
That would be so funny.
I wish I could cut the whole thing off.
Why don't you burn it all?
I need to go to the doctor and talk to him about it. So anyway, we're doing chores, not talking about my moles, okay?
I vacuumed the shelf.
No, you're gonna vacuum under the table, in the contemporary, in the corners over there between the locker and the contemporary, back in this corner, behind the door here. Use the hose and start going
You
around.
have to be like a man-made corner.
I mean, you haven't really vacuumed anything, so it's like you've done a half job right now. What?
Did I just found gold? I think I just found gold.
Oh yeah. You never know.
I almost vacuumed that up. It could be like 28 million kilograms.
Show mom.
So mixed up.
Nice. Good job. Not a good job. What was that?
It was like a little thing like this.
Don't vacuum up things like that.
It was like a clump of bird seed. I can't reach that though.
You don't need to.
What?
You don't need to. Just out front here. Under the table.
Oh, what? It's hitting me back.
Under the table. Ooh, you alright?
Yeah. Wow, do it again. It keeps following me.
Well, that's what happens.
Stop following me. Oh, look at that. Look at that thing. Vacuum up dust.
Good, you can.
You can't vacuum that up. What?
Not that kind.
Did I just take the stuff out of the closet?
No, just go in that corner over there. Over there. There.
Getting it?
You have the corner there?
What? Yeah, I did. Now what?
Yeah, get behind the door. Oh, you did that already.
Yeah.
Get, middle area.
With this?
Yeah, get that corner over there.
I already did.
With that thing. There you go. How about along this edge? Nice. How about behind the dollhouse?
I wouldn't expect it to be that dirty because they just moved that.
I know.
But in the dollhouse.
Sure.
What about the dollhouse itself?
Yeah, not really.
What else can I help you?
You can do that bottom shelf down there.
I have 2 questions. Are we gonna move this stuff?
No, you just stick the
And
hose
is the
down
vacuum
there.
supposed to get like really hot
Where?
when you're doing this?
Yeah.
It's like really hot.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, right there is hot.
Mm-hmm.
Youchers. It's refreshing though. The GoPro's hot too.
Just get the hose and you stick
Reflecting
it in the
light.
little crevice of
I'm
the
hot.
shelf.
What?
Just get the hose and stick it down in the shelf down there.
Okay, I'm gonna move this. You ready?
Mm-hmm.
Ready for another
Mm-hmm.
fantastic vacuuming session?
Go!
Don't be shy, get down here.
No, you don't have to move all that. But thank you though. Alright, back here. Good. How about behind here?
Oh, you want to push it?
Oh, I just dropped the gold.
Oh, I don't want to vacuum that up.
Oh, roach.
Yeah. Oh, that's disgusting. How about unsanitary? That was disgusting.
Alright. Put the TV back.
Vacuum the TV?
No.
There's something on it.
No, no, scratch it. Stop it. There. Move the vacuum. Move the vacuum away. And turn it off when we're done.
You need the vacuum over?
Yeah.
Can you turn off?
Mm-hmm.
What are you looking at?
Here.
What? What are you doing? Oh, Lego? What is that one in the vacuum?
Mess it up.
Because I was vacuuming it up. I was like that close, guys.
And it's 7:40, so there you go. That's what 15 minutes gets.
Oh my gosh, that felt for like an eternity.
There you go. We got first day. $3.
Oh, Toby, are you gonna pay me $3 right now?
Well, I gotta do it. I gotta go to the store.
Can you pay me?
Later.
Okay, I'll take that. You believe that's like
Yeah, I'll put the vacuum away though.
fine. Where? Back in your.
Stand it back up. Put the hose back in.
Do you have to like wrap all the hose? Oh my god, I don't even know how to do
I'll
that.
help you. It's part of the chore though. You gotta take it out and then put it back. You need help emptying it, and I'll help you with that.
Wait, hold up, I have to empty it?
See, you just get it like that. Look.
Do you just like go around like this?
No. Start. Look. It's right here.
Yes.
Like that.
Oh my god, it's so much work. Here. If I'm gonna do it, then fine. I gotta like hire a cameraman or something. You know how cool that would be? Like to have like someone follow you and their main passion is to film. How much do you think that costs?
More than you got.
Nuggets. Cause like that would be.
You could use your money to pay somebody to do it, but
I
it wouldn't
know.
last long.
But how do I do this?
You hook. That's what hooks on. That little hook goes on the cord.
Now what?
Pinch the cord into the little hook. Right there.
Oh. I already made more than I did by doing that like a couple hours of chores with mom.
Exactly.
So yeah.
Well, like I said, that's a little over $10 an hour. A little pay for somebody at a younger age.
Over
Just
what?
getting started.
Over 10 but
A
what?
little over $10 an hour. You'd have to figure it out. What's 3 times 15 minutes times 4 is an hour. 3 times 4 is $12 an hour.
Wow.
You're not working for an hour, so you're not getting $12. But it's, you're making $12 an hour.
At least I'm making something, Mr. No Mole.
That's how it works. You get a job, they say, okay, I'm going to pay you $12 an hour, and then every time you go there, you clock in. You punch your time clock. And then when you leave, you punch out. And at the end of the week, they add up all the time you were there and pay you for $12 per hour.
Still that gold
And
thing.
that's how you do it.
Nice. What are you doing with those Legos? Are you gonna sell them?
No.
You sell them on
Throw
eBay?
them away.
Throw them away. Fine. Oh, I made it.
Throw that away.
Oh yeah, that was a
Nice.
that was a great vacuum.
Put some on the bar. On the bar.
You really think this is gonna sell for something?
Might be gold.
Oh, what is it gonna sell for? Like $8 million bucks? Just because it's like a tiny piece of gold. Like I wouldn't even notice that. I'll think it's like a bug or something. So I'm gonna end it off here. Hopefully I'm gonna get my $3 soon. Right?
What?
Hopefully I'm gonna get my $3 soon.
Yeah, when I go to the store.
Oh, he's gotta go to the store. Hopefully this helps me more than the chores did. It already is helping me more than the chores did. Oh, and I found my bin I was looking for yesterday. Great. So, if you enjoyed them, what? What?
You need a binder?
Yes, I do. How'd you figure that out?
3 ring?
Yes, 3 ring. What do you think?
How many inch?
Like 2. 2.
2 is big.
2 is not
2
big.
is like that.
No, 2 is like this.
No, that's 1.
Fine, give me a 1.
1 is.
And I need. There's something called these tabs.
This is about 1.
Okay, just give me 1. There's something called tabs.
What were we
Tab
just talking about?
binders.
Oh yeah, 1.
There's something called tabs.
Yeah.
It's like these like little folder thingies with like the tabs sticking out of them.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, I know.
Like plasticky, not like the paper folders.
Dividers.
Yeah, but they're plastic. They have to be like, and maybe like different colors or something.
Yeah, I know.
Not paper
I
though.
couldn't find them when I went the first time.
Oh, that was on the school list.
Yeah, I think so. Dividers.
So it goes in the binder. You know what I'm talking about.
Yeah.
Not
It's in the
paper.
binder.
Not paper.
And it has a little place so you can mark
It's
the
plastic.
heading there. Tab.
Some material, not paper though.
Plastic tabs.
Yes.
Or plastic inserts.
Yeah. Okay.
Okay. I didn't know they made plastic. Usually they're paper.
Okay.
Usually they're like a paper.
They're paper.